Um, the schooling or what probably we initially had a fear was that, Excel public school is happening place. A lot of activities, a lot of fun and a lot of events, a lot of competitions. So that was our initial fear, what would happen to all of those things. I'm very happy to say we have given enough attention to co and extracurricular activities as much as we have given to scholastic and pure curricular activities. And Ms. Divya Shetty, Deputy Head Teacher, Class 1 and 2, is going to present us how did we engage children beyond their academics? How did we conduct the various programs and activities and competitions during this time? Over to you, Divya.
Thank you, sir. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. True to these words, we have celebrated year 2020 in a unique way, discovering new paths and ways to inspire learning holistically. Good morning, everyone. When educational institutions around the world were forced to close their doors to prevent the spread of the virus, alternative methods and technologies had to be adopted almost overnight. In the face of this crippling pandemic, technology has emerged as a major lifesaver for teachers like us. Along with academics, the importance of extracurricular activities cannot be dismissed. Being a part of EPS, we have the gut feeling that nothing can stop us from coming up with the best ideas to engage our dear little friends. Here is a list of virtual fun we had with our students. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. We had various events conducted virtually for our tiny tots, like creating paper bag, cooking without fire, eco-friendly Ganesha making, EPS talent show, letter writing, book club, and thanking the community helpers. CBSE Expression Series had a competition based on the theme of students' perspectives in the rich culture and uniqueness of the paired state Uttarakhand, which encouraged students to explore and gain knowledge one state at a time. Students use the medium of essays, poems, paintings to showcase their awareness, interest, and creativity about Uttarakhand. Around 700 students from our school participated in this competition. Participation in CCA helps students in emotional development, social skill development, and overall personality development. Various competitions were conducted for the students of classes 3 to 12. Classes 3 and 4 happily participated in activities like Best Out of Waste, classical and Western singing competition, elocution, yoga, mono acting, and dance competition. Classes 5 and 8 participated in poem and essay writing competition, elocution, drawing and painting competitions. Whereas class 9 and 10 had some interesting activities like creating stories, folk song, stand-up comedy, and podcast broadcast. Celebrations. Celebrating events and festivals in our school has become an integral part of learning. So apart from classroom learning, we celebrate each and every festival and event with great zeal and enthusiasm. On account of Mother's Day, a beautiful video presentation was dedicated by Excelites to every mother. A special yoga session was planned and executed to mark Yoga Day, and the YouTube link was shared with our parents, student, and staff members. Expression at 74. Celebrating the spirit of freedom, a special Independence Day program was dedicated to our students and their parents. In honor of our freedom fighters, the students showcased their favorite freedom fighters, shouting patriotic slogans decked in traditional attires and expressions at 74 Challenge. Our students made Teachers' Day special by sending us beautiful handmade cards and wishes. We celebrated the 65th Kannada Rajyotsava Nudi Sambrama on 1st November. EPS family presented the rich culture and tradition of Karnataka through a colorful cultural presentation. Every year, children look forward to the special program presented by their teachers on account of Children's Day. This year too, a special program was dedicated to our children. The programs were planned section-wise. We celebrated National Science Day with our students to honor our India's greatest scientist, Sir C.V. Raman. Various science experiments were conducted on this occasion. On account of the auspicious Navaratri celebrations, APS family organized a special event, Shakti Swarupini Devi. The special program was performed in the school auditorium on October 23rd and live streamed for the benefits of our students, parents, and general public. Even though the times had come to a standstill, our students made the most of it by participating and showcasing their talents by taking part in various inter-school competitions. Our students participated in an essay event that was conducted and organized by Sri Ramchandra Mission in collaboration with the United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan and Artfulness Education Trust. Anish, a 12th grade student, has been selected by the Junior Academy, an initiative of New York Academy of Sciences Global STEM Alliance, into its 5th cohort. Anish is one among 900 students from 64 countries, and his area of exploration centered on intelligent homes and health challenge that can improve human life. Aryan Kini of grade 6 secured India International Sarabhai Student Scientist Award from Vigyan Prasar Network of Science Clubs. He is the only student from Karnataka state to have secured this award for the year 2020. 14 students from class 11 and 12 competed in the Wisteria Express hosted by Chennai Public School in the month of October. Charit Gowda, a student of class 10, became the undaunted champion of the wheels, winning gold medals in the National MTB cycling competition for 3 consecutive years. Sukhi Kumaran of class 10 is a winner of Under Armour Challenge conducted by NBA India in partnership with Reliance Foundation Junior NBA to identify the best blindfold dribbler. India's largest inter-school public speaking festival was organized by a communication expert company, Future Impact. The company was excited to collaborate and bring this event to Excel Public School. 18 speakers from our school participated with amazing enthusiasm and spirit. Corona warriors from EPS, Ms. Grishma Columbus, Ms. Lekha Nair, and Ms. Maria Ashwini were honored at a virtual ceremony hosted by the IIHM Bangalore on account of the Teachers' Day. Open Door organized a question-making contest called Are You a Thought Provoker? APS was one of the most active school and winner school. Our principal, Mr. Matthew KG, was a guest speaker in a webinar on Education 4.0, Role of Teachers in Changing Times, organized by School of Skills and Nidan on September 5th. He was also a guest speaker in a webinar on Principles for Principles, a tribute to Sir Ken Robinson, held on 19 September, organized by Veda Handwriting Lab. Dr. Amita Saxena was a guest speaker in a Gyan Vigyan webinar series on exam preparation without stress, held on 7th March, organized by PODA Group of Institutions. Every child has a unique capabilities that can be nurtured through activity-driven learning, role play, or discovery. As we continue to work in challenging times, there's no priority more critical than focus on the overall development of the child. We are happy to say that we were successful in organizing virtual competitions and events, which did help in easing the stress, boredom, anxiety in our students and motivate them to their overall physical and mental well-being. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Divya. It was amazing. So we did not let our students and parents down. Not just about online teaching of math, EVS, and English. It was also a lot of fun, a lot of activities, and a lot of meaningful and productive engagement. So happy that we could do so much.